This is a haul from July 11th, 2020, and I have been trying to list items from before quarantine and now after quarantine, and it's kind of hard to catch up on it. So I am doing that as we speak, and a part of me getting organized is actually doing these videos. No, I don't have to post them on YouTube or anywhere else, but I find them easier to actually be able to access. I could make them private for myself, of course, but you never know what's going to be helpful for others, so that's the only reason I'm putting these on YouTube, is for if it helps you guys at all. The problem that I have is that I purchase the items and then I get them home, and what I want to do is I want to purchase them. Side note, I also want to have screenshots of them so I know what items I purchased, what their comps are, and get all that information into a folder on my phone. So all I have to do is be like, okay, I just did this and I just looked up these, and it's so simple, but I'm having a hard time just doing that part. Yes, I do have a little bit of a connecting organization issue. I need a lot of structure, and considering this is a self-owned business, the structure is made up as I go. So if this helps anybody in the same situation, even if you're not in the complete same situation, even if it's a little minuscule version of what I'm going through, hopefully what I eventually, hopefully with repetition, get better at will help you in the long run. And maybe, I mean, if you want to, if in the future, if I get really good at this, and by really good at this I mean look at an item and know where it actually came from, you know, give me a shout out. Tell me that I helped you at all. That would be great. It's a real confidence booster, especially with somebody that has a hard time focusing, to know that me staying consistent has helped somebody else. Just thinking about it's making me a little bit emotional, and it's not gonna happen, so let's get to the next part. I'm not faking it, that's just my way of keeping solid. So, getting back to it, I'm supposed to be doing screenshots of the comps, like how much something costs, whether it's on eBay or Poshmark or Mercari, or even just sold in stores still, or what it used to sell for, wherever, whatever. Screenshot it, and I'm supposed to save it into a folder per my own rules, because I own my own business here. Even if it's a hobby, it's still a good idea to check the comps while you're on location, screenshot it, and put it into a specific folder in your phone album. That I'm having a hard time doing because I think I do it, and I don't know if I'm just that I forget, but anyways, I digress. And then when I get home, I want to be able to do these videos like I'm doing right now, and after doing the videos, I want to be able to rewatch the video, put all the information that I say into a spreadsheet, and then after doing the spreadsheet, I want to be able to list the items, which also is not that easy. You have to take photos, which, by the way, if your lighting's terrible, it just makes the colors off, everything is off, and that's currently my problem right now, is I'm fighting with lighting. I did not plan on saying that, but it's so true. I think I was in my studio for like an hour, and I think I took pictures of maybe 20 items, and that is not right. That is so wrong. I just, in my mind, I feel like, oh, 95 items? That should take like 2 hours, maybe 3. But 20 items in an hour, it just takes forever. But it's all because of the lighting. If the lighting and hangers, I have children's items, and when you put them on when you put children's items on adult hangers, I mean, it's like the garment's like this. It just doesn't look right. My point is that I just need to have organization, and doing these videos helps me look back. And whoever else, if this helps with your structure for whatever you do, even if it's not for reselling, if it's for anything else, if this helps you, thank you. Like, I'm glad that you watched this and absorbed anything, even if it's the teeniest little quip that I might say. It could be a saying, or I don't know, a fortune cookie thing that I read off at some point during any of these videos. If it was just something that made you laugh and it just helped you, thank you for letting it help you. So, anyways.